Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix error code creeper in Minecraft, failed to log in. So this error occurs mostly because of a network connection. So you have a problem in your internet connection. So make sure to configure it well and make sure if you try to open another website or another thing, it opens without any problem. After that, if your internet is stable and you don't have any problem, make sure go to the task manager, go here and find OpenJDK platform binary, click on Minecraft, click on end task, and then reopen Minecraft. If that well didn't work for you, you can go here to make sure your internet will be more efficient. Go for the website that you are not using right now, like me, for example, Teams is just working in the background, and I know I don't need it. Just quit the Teams, and then that's all. I hope this will help us.